Syria's fractured landscape is undergoing a seismic shift, marked by a momentous 5-year transition plan designed to usher in an era of peace and reconciliation. This unprecedented initiative follows a period of intense violence along the Mediterranean coast, where a devastating wave of bloodshed saw security forces tragically claim the lives of nearly 1,500 civilians, a large majority belonging to the Alawite minority, the same sect as the Assad family. The details remain shrouded in a veil of uncertainty, yet the scale of the massacre underscores the urgent need for transformative change. This ambitious transition plan, a bold attempt at healing deep societal wounds, promises a fundamental reimagining of Syrian society. At its core lies a commitment to upholding fundamental human rights, empowering women, and guaranteeing their full and equal participation in all aspects of life. This includes access to education, healthcare, and economic opportunities, previously severely restricted under the Assad regime. The plan explicitly addresses freedom of expression, a right brutally suppressed for decades, paving the way for a more open and transparent society where dissent is tolerated, and voices, previously silenced, can finally be heard. Crucially, the plan includes provisions for justice for victims of the Assad regime's brutal actions. Establishing accountability for past atrocities is paramount for genuine reconciliation and healing. The path toward justice will undoubtedly be long and complex, demanding international collaboration and the establishment of independent mechanisms capable of impartially investigating and prosecuting those responsible for heinous human rights abuses. This aspect of the plan, though challenging, holds the key to a sustainable and lasting peace. It requires not only legal frameworks, but also a concerted effort to support victims and their families, facilitating their physical, emotional, and psychological recovery. The plan's announcement follows a strategic agreement between the Syrian Democratic Forces, SDF, the Kurdish-led administration's de facto army, and the Damascus authorities. This landmark deal, paving the way for the integration of the SDF into state institutions, represents a significant step towards national unity. The successful implementation of this agreement requires careful management and a commitment from all parties involved to prioritize national interests over narrow political agendas. The integration process will be vital in ensuring the security and stability of the entire country, preventing the resurgence of conflict and creating a unified security apparatus capable of protecting all citizens. The 5-year transition period is not simply a timetable, it's a roadmap towards a more just, equitable, and peaceful Syria. Its success depends on the concerted efforts of the Syrian government, international partners, and most importantly, the Syrian people themselves. The road ahead remains fraught with challenges, but the plan offers a glimmer of hope, a chance to rebuild a nation shattered by years of conflict, and to create a future where the rights and dignity of all Syrians are respected and protected. The coming years will be a critical test of the international community's commitment to supporting this ambitious undertaking and ensuring that the promise of a new Syria becomes a tangible reality.